Hello, my name is Pavan Kumar. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, continuing our playlist towards Python programming. Today we are going to discuss about in strings, indexing in strings in Python programming. Okay, so if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel and please press the bell notification icon to get all updates related to my YouTube channel. Okay, so let's get into this. So in our previous videos on Python playlist, we have already discussed about the string operations, string concatenations, and we also saw like how to enter the new line in Python programming. And in our previous other videos, like we have discussed about the data types in Python programming, the basic data types. Okay, so now let's continue our playlist towards Python programming, and now let's see like how to do the indexing in Python programming. Okay, so let's take some example. Okay, so before that I will tell you like indexing in Python usually begins with, not usually, definitely it will begin with indexing in Python begins with 0 if you are doing forward indexing. Okay, so don't worry about what is forward indexing, I will tell you everything. And indexing in Python begins with -1 if you are doing backward indexing, for backward indexing. Okay, so before that I will tell you like what exactly the indexing is. So indexing means, like, for suppose if you want to let's give some character. Let's take an example of Johnson. Okay, so let's assume string is equal to Johnson. Okay, so here in Johnson, like there are 7 characters. Okay, so if you want to refer the first character in the particular string Johnson, so the first character in this Python programming usually referred with 0th position. Okay, it will start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, if you are starting from the end, it will start from basically -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7. Okay, so first let's see the length of this particular string. Okay, so the length of this particular string is 7. Okay, so as I told you, like there are 7 characters in this particular string Johnson. Okay, and this is how we count the length of the string. So this is the way where we can find the length of the string by using len of string. Okay, suppose if I want to refer the first character of this particular string Johnson, means like what we have to do. So we'll see like str of 0. So let's see like whether we can use str or whether we have to use string. Okay, so str is a keyword, guys. Like we can't use str because we have already defined a string is equal to Johnson. So now let's refer the first character of this particular string Johnson. Okay, so now let's see, like now let's try to find the first character by using the indexing. Okay, so the first character, as I told you, in the Python programming, the indexing usually begins with 0. Okay, suppose if you want to refer like let's see, like we'll see the third character. If you want to refer the third character, sorry, if you want to refer the fourth character, you have to give 3. Okay, because indexing usually begins with, not usually, it will definitely begin with 0. Okay, so now if you want to refer the fourth character, that is n, here you have to give string of 3. Okay, then it will print the fourth character of that particular string, and it will print n. Okay, now let's see, like, do we get n or not? Okay, now we are getting n. Okay, so this is how we perform indexing in Python programming. As I told you, like, if you are doing forward indexing and backward indexing means what exactly the forward indexing. See, forward indexing means usually you refer the characters from the beginning to end. Okay, and if you are doing the indexing from the end to beginning, that is known as backward indexing. Okay, so now let's take an example by referring from the last character. Okay, I have given -n, so -n means what exactly do we get, guys? So as I told you, forward indexing starts from 0 and backward indexing starts from -1. So -n means it should refer n, and now it should give the output as n. Now let's see, like, do we get the desired output or not? Yes, we are getting n. Okay, now let's see string of -3. And now let's see, now let's press Ctrl Enter. Yes, we are getting -1, -2, -3. Okay, so this is how we perform indexing in string operations, and this is how we perform forward indexing and backward indexing. So here I will just mention it as forward indexing. Let's mention in comments, guys, forward indexing. Okay, and this one we refer as backward indexing. Okay, this is also backward indexing. Okay, so this is all about indexing in strings in Python programming. Okay, so I hope you like this particular video. Please just subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.